Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're taking a look at OakNorth, a UK bank specialising in lending to businesses. You can find them online at OakNorth.com. Now, OakNorth isn't your typical high street bank. They focus on a very specific niche, providing loans to growth businesses, primarily in the UK. This targeted approach allows them to truly understand the needs of their clients and tailor financial solutions accordingly. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach to lending, OakNorth utilizes a data-driven methodology to assess risk and create customized loan structures. This is particularly important for businesses seeking funding for expansion, acquisitions, or other strategic initiatives. They pride themselves on offering a more personalized and flexible banking experience compared to traditional institutions. This includes faster loan approvals and more bespoke loan terms. While they're not a retail bank in the traditional sense, their specialized focus is what makes them stand out. So, if you're a business owner looking for funding, especially in the UK, OakNorth might be worth considering. Their emphasis on understanding individual business needs and their commitment to providing tailored financial solutions could make them a valuable partner in your growth journey. It's important to do your own research to see if they are the right fit for your specific circumstances, but exploring their website, which again is OakNorth.com, is a great starting point. You can explore their lending criteria, understand their approach, and potentially discover a financing option that aligns with your business objectives. Remember, finding the right financial partner is crucial for any business, and OakNorth's specialized services could be the solution you're looking for. Be sure to check out the link in the description for easy access to their website.